Yes, Madam Chair, a memorandum of agreement is needed for us the day to deliver the cash to our client.
In this case, did you not suggest or recommend to the agencies concerned that the cash be delivered by your armored vehicle, considering that this is cold cash and you are in Metro Manila where there is traffic and those traffic stops can actually put the danger of our DepEd and OVP officials in jeopardy? Kasi ang dali-dali lang yan, may mag-text lang, ayan, no, naglalabas ng pera, unless marami ang nag-secure sa OVP at sa DepEd para ilabas yung cash na ito. Or the next question is, saan ito nilalagay? Kasi syempre, ang laking pera, kunyari 125 million cash, bibit-bitin mo pa uwi sa opisina, gaano po kalaki ang office ni Ma'am Gina Acosta? Maybe we can ask
Representative from OVP. Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a small office, Mr. Chair, and it's shared with other staff.
So, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, no? Tama naman po na yung accountable is Miss Gina Acosta because she's the payee of the check. However, that's taxpayers' money. That's still pera ng sambayan ng Pilipino na in-entrust sa OVP at sa DepEd. And our good distinguished resource person here, Attorney Sanchez, I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, I'm not a lawyer, but is it not that they will also be accountable because they are aware that a 125 million cash check will be encashed, brought back in cold cash, stored in the office that is shared by many people? So I think accountability does not stop with Ms. Acosta. Accountability also includes those in the finance and cash division. Kasi alam nila, unang-una, kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, you have to make sure na yung cash na nasa office nyo ay tama-tama lang para hindi hold upin yung mga empleyado doon. Pangalawa, it's a shared office. Pangatlo, it's a huge amount. May I ask, Mr. Chair, ma'am, bakit po, instead of 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ba't di nyo nalang ginawang 10 million, 15 million, lower, para yung risk hindi malaki? Kasi di ba nasa opisina nyo nakatago ang pera? Bakit po?
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I would just like to clarify that I do not know if kung saan po nakatago yung pera. So I'm not aware kung sa opisina.
So you
po
are not
nakatago.
sure na from the bank, tinediretso sa office?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And then in terms of the amount.
Mr. Chair, sorry to cut you on that, ha? Ma'am, kayo ang nagpaparelease, kayo ang nag-i-issue ng cheque. I-encash. Malaking amount. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na chine-check na napupunta sa opisina nyo? Next question, Mr. Chair. Is there a possibility that it is being brought by Gina Acosta to her house?
Mr. Chair, again, I do not have personal knowledge.
Is it possible?
Mr. Chair, for possibility, I would agree that there is possibility, Your Honor.
In this case, Mr. Chair, ma'am, pasensya na po. Pero you are in charge of the coffers of the OVP. You would release a check of 125 million, not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times, and cash it totally, and then pinapabayaan nyo na lang, kung inuwi yan at tinakbo ng tao.
Mr. Chair, under the joint circular, it is the responsibility of the Special Disbursing Officer to safekeep the fund. So it is also for that reason that there is a bond for the Special Disbursing Officer. And as to the amount that was asked earlier, we just relied on the amount of the disbursement voucher that was submitted to the accounting division for the release of the checks, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair.
Ma'am, sandali lang po,
Yes.
isang tatanong lang. Kanina sinabi po ninyo maliit lang yung opisina ni Ma'am Gina Acosta. Tama po ba? Could you please describe the office of Miss Gina Acosta?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the office of Miss Gina Acosta, it's located in the executive wing of our office. So different staff sila doon, and then parang cubicle lang siya na tabi.
Cubicle lang.
Yes, Mr.
Wala
Chair.
ba siyang taguan doon sa opisina niya ng pera?
I am not aware, Mr. Chair.
So, pag sinabi mong cubicle, di ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga office.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, there is no way na po pwede niyang itago sa opisina niya yung 125 million. Tama po ba? Kasi cubicle lang eh.
Mr. Chair, may mga storage shelves doon sa opisina.
Storage shelf.
Shelves, cabinets, Mr. Chair.
Cabinet, but not
Yes.
vault.
I'm not aware of any vault, Mr. Chair. And I have not inspected the storage shelves, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
Yes. Congressman Paduano.
Nasa likod ako eh. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung land bank ba? Land bank, ano ba talaga nangyari? You delivered, kinuha, 125 million?
Mr. Chair, kinuha po siya sa bank.
Yung 125 million.
Yes, Mr.
Sino yung cashier teller at the time?
3 tellers po yung involved, different checks po.
Different checks. Ilang checks yun?
4 checks, sir.
Mr. Chairman, can we invite in the next hearing the tellers involved in this transaction? Para magkalilangan po tayo dito kasi I doubt, Mr. Chairman. Ma'am, land bank, do you have a MOA with the Office of the Vice President?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo?
Opo.
Wala kayong MOA?
MOA for the cash delivery, no, Mr. Chair.
How about the cash deposits?
We have a MOA payroll lang po.
Sorry?
Payroll.
Payroll, not cash advances on other projects and transaction.
Yes.
How can we submit then yung MOA nyo with the OBP para matingnan namin? What was the last date ng MOA nyo?
2022.
O pag-submit mo para matingnan natin. Mr. Chairman, may invite all the tellers involved.
Could you please submit the list of the names of the tellers
Yes, Mr.
to the COMSEC? Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, last lang po.
Yes, Congressman
Ma'am,
Paduano.
the transaction happens when?
Yung isa po, first check 2022 and the rest na 3 checks 2023.
Ito po, 2022?
Yes, Mr.
How much is the 2022 transaction?
125 million.
Then, yung 2023?
3 checks po, 125 each transaction.
125 each transaction. So, yung 2022 mo, 125 each transaction. Tama?
125.
Okay. Now, ma'am, ganito, 125, ma'am, ha? Ilang, yan? Ilang luggage yan? Sabihin
Mr.
natin.
Chair, ano po, duffel bag daw po.
Duffel bag?
Opo.
Oh, baka-
Gym bag.
Gym
Apat
bag.
na gym
Gym
bag.
bag.
Gym bag.
Gym bag?
Yung
So may get, that's around 30 million per bag?
more or less, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung more or less? Oh, yeah, now. That was 2022, 2023, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ito lang po, ma'am. From the teller, sino nang bitbit palabas? Of course, sa sasakyan ni ni Acosta, di ba? Sinong bumitbit?
Client po, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Client po.
Yeah.
Client.
May nag-assist po kay Miss Gina.
Not client. Not
And,
your,
no,
not your personnel.
hindi
Sigurado
po,
ka?
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr.
Now,
Chair.
ganito lang, Mr. Chair. Can we issue a subpoena? At those stake with regards to the CCTV during the time? Mama, tandaan nyo, may record kayo dyan. Involving the transaction, Mr. Chairman. Para makita natin kung nandun talaga si Acosta, wala. Because this happens, ma'am, in some of transaction being made by government agencies. And it was also investigated in my committee. Panisabit mo yung transaction na yun, 2022 at 2023, Mr. Chairman. Yung move, Mr. Chairman.